Welcome guys, this is Global Design. I'm going to teach you on how to design this flyer, this jotter, this wedding jotter. So let's get to business. So I'll take you to the file where I have this is where I have the design, the raw file where I've scattered everything. So this picture over here, I'm going to place this picture inside this particular image over here. This one, I'll bring it out so you can see it. This particular one. So what I will do is to take off this edge, sharp edge from this picture. So I will use my transparency tool to take off the edge. So I'll come to bitmark, convert, so I'm going to wait for it to convert before I can place it inside the design. So I'll take off the other side. I'll do the same thing in this place. Come to bitmark, convert. Okay, there's a problem we have here. I'm having a very big file when converting. So what I will do is I will remove the transparency. I'll copy this image, Ctrl+C to copy. Then I will paste it in another page. I'll paste it in another page so I can be able to take off that sharp edge away. So this is the picture. I'll drag it to this place. Use my transparency to come over to this place. Go over to my bitmark, convert. It's still showing the same thing. I'll reduce it a little. Let me reduce it so we can have a lesser size. Okay, you can see it's now less. Let me bring it to RGB. So in case you want to do your own, make sure you copy it out and paste another page so you won't have something that is hanging. That thing always make our work hang whenever we open it. So we use 80 MB or 100. Anything above that is not good for your design. So I'll transparent the top, convert. Okay, what I'm just doing is I'm taking off the sharp edge so that it will blend with my background. On that background you see there, that blue background you see there, I don't want to have sharp edges around it. That's why I'm converting them and transparenting the edges. So I'll copy this one. I'll copy it to the main design we have. So I'll take off this particular one, or I'll drag it over here. I drag it to this side. I paste the one I need. This is what I need. So how I got these images, I downloaded them. This background, it was downloaded. So I'll give you a link on how to download images like that. So I'll power clip this one inside it. Power clip inside. You can see. Then I'll use my alt. I hold alt, I click it, push it up. So it's going to match with what I'm doing. Reduce it from the edge. Whenever you're reducing, make sure you reduce from the edge. You don't reduce from side. So this is how I'm going to keep it. Just like this. I'll bring it down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. Then this particular design, this image, I'll paste it inside also. Power clipping. Whenever you're power clipping, you right click, then you power clip inside your design. So that's it. Alt, I push it to this side, push it to this side. Then I'll duplicate, Ctrl D. Then I'll mirror it to the left. I'll bring this one like this. Push it a little bit forward. You can see how it is now. So now this back page you see here, you will ask, how did I get it? I got this color, this dark red color. This is the code. You can see it down there, #890304. You can copy it out and play around with it, mix with your color mode. If you want to mix this color, you come to this place where you have your red. You can hold it like this and select particular color there, the darker one. You can use it for your design. So when you look at this image, this container, there's an image inside. There's an image inside this container. So I'll take off this one inside it. Then I'll make use of this particular one. So the effect I added to this one was still that same transparency. I came to fountain transparency. Okay, I'm coming. Let me take off the transparency from it. Let me take it off. No, it won't occur except I use, I will use the one inside this place, inside this one. The reason why it did not affect this effect is because I bitmarked that picture. So what I will do is to paste this particular one here. Take off this one. So I'll bring this one this place. I'll bring this one here. I've shown you how I got that color, and I showed you the code on how to get the color and fix on your own design in case you want to mix your color up. So this is I will remove the transparency from it. I've removed this transparency. You can see I've removed it. So I will come to this place, fountain transparency. That is the effect I use for that, for this thing inside here, for this particular image. In case you are asking how did I fit in this image inside, I used electrical fountain transparency to apply a gradient of varying opacity. So the opacity I added was what affected this side. So that is why I fixed it inside to match up with my design. So let's not waste much time on that. I'll bring in my write-up. This is my write-up. So I'll bring it over to this place. Ctrl Z. I have to copy only the write-up. I'll carry it over to this place. You can see how it is. So this flare light, I downloaded it from the internet. I will leave a video on how to remove dark background from flare light. I don't want to waste much time over here, so I will leave a video on how to remove flare lights, backgrounds from flare lights. So I'll just take this my ring here, paste it over here at this place. I'll zoom up so you can see what we are doing. I'll take this particular one over here and paste this one here. Bring this down a little bit. Push it up to this side. You can see how I got the transparency and everything. You can see how it is. So I'll take off this image, take off this particular one, and I'll bring in this inside. I'll keep this one here, global design. So the last thing I will show you is this thing. How did I get this? Simple and short. I use this shape. Just draw the shape like this. There are three options of this cycle. The effect of this cycle, we have pi, we have arc. So I took the arc shape, I reduced it with convert to curve. Select it like this, reduce, right click, you can see convert to curve. Then I drag it to this place. I drag it from here. I have to first of all reduce it, then rotate it like this. This was how I did it. Then rotate it somewhere like this. Take it up like this. In this thing, you have to be creative whenever you're doing something like this, because it's gonna take much time. But I will leave a video on how to do it. So that is how I got this particular stuff you see here. That's how I got it. So I have to reduce some part of it. I have to reduce it. For me to get it. So that was how I got it and fixed it inside that place to get this particular stuff. So I already have them here. I just have to place it inside. I already have them here, so I'll create videos on how to do such. I don't want to waste much time here, so I'll place this one over here, push it out a little bit. So that was how I got this particular stuff that looks just exactly like a jotter. So in case you may ask, how did I get to do such? You can see we are done with this design. Very simple and easy. So we are done with this design. You can see how perfect it is. This is the design I just showed you. So I'm going to drop my link, my YouTube link, my Facebook handle, where you can see most of my works. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, make sure you watch my videos. I have so much videos for you guys. Okay, thank you.